Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Missy Collects. Today I'll be unboxing this Band Presto Q Posket Disney character Jasmine Dreamy style. On the front of the box there is a picture of Jasmine in her wedding gown. She looks very pretty. On this side of the box it shows you that there are two versions to this figure, which are version A and version B. I purchased version A, which is Jasmine wearing a cream wedding gown. On this side of the box there is a gold frame with a pretty picture of Jasmine in it. There's also a picture of her on this side of the box. She looks beautiful. As I unwrap the plastic, you can see that there are three pieces to this Jasmine figure, which are Jasmine's head and her wedding veil, her wedding gown, and a white base. Here are the three pieces that I've just taken out of the plastic. Here is the white base. It has the word Q Posket on it and a pretty pattern all the way around the edge. These two holes here are where Jasmine's shoes will fit into the base to stand her up. Here is Jasmine's wedding gown. It looks beautiful. At the top of her wedding gown, it has a gold piece across the top here and a purple stone in the centre. Jasmine's wedding gown is full length and it's a nice cream colour. It has a gold V-shaped section across the hip area. The wedding gown has long sleeves and it has gold on the ends of the sleeves. At the front here, the fabric on either side of Jasmine's wedding gown is all layered and she is holding these parts up in her hands. Jasmine is wearing a gold necklace. The wedding gown looks so pretty and it looks amazing at the back. Underneath Jasmine's wedding gown, she is wearing cream-coloured shoes that curl up at the front. Here is Jasmine's head. She is so beautiful. Jasmine has brown eyes and black eyeliner, rosy cheeks, pink lips, and she's also wearing pretty gold earrings. Jasmine has long, pretty black hair. Her hair is in a double ponytail and it's tied up with two gold hair ties. The end of her hair curls up, which looks really cute. Jasmine's hair is really detailed and it looks lovely. At the back of Jasmine's hair, she is wearing a gorgeous wedding veil. There is a pretty purple flower on each side of her head. There is also a gold piece across the back of the veil and the wedding veil hangs down from this. The veil has a textured finish to it and it looks so pretty. The purple flowers look beautiful in Jasmine's black hair. Here is Jasmine all assembled. She measures approximately 14 centimeters tall. Jasmine looks amazing. I love her wedding gown. The cream and gold looks so pretty. The gold is so nice and shiny. I love Jasmine's hair. It's so detailed. It's so long and pretty. The purple flowers look so pretty in her black hair, and the wedding veil looks amazing. I'll finish off now by placing Jasmine onto my turntable to show you what she looks like the whole way around. And that brings me to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of this Ban Presto Q Posket Disney character Jasmine Dreamy style in version A. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and please click the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this in the future, and you can also check out other videos that I've previously posted. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.